Hello viewers, welcome to Easy Olympiad Maths. Let's solve Olympiad questions for class 3 and 4. These are some good questions that I have selected for class 3 and 4. You can see how we can solve these questions in this video. What is the missing number in the box? Now we have to find the missing number in the box. In this type of question, we perform reverse operation on the answer. So here answer is 34. Now we will perform reverse operation on 34. Now first operation will be 34 plus 19. So in question it is minus 19, but we will do 34 plus 19. Then we get 53. Now second operation will do 53 into 3. Since in question it is divide by 3, but we perform reverse, so we will make it multiply. So 53 into 3 is 159. Now third will be divide by 3. So 159 divided by 3 will be 53. Then fourth operation will be into 13. So 53 into 13 will be 689, which is option B. What fraction of the given shapes are red triangle? Now some shapes are given in the box. You have to find the fraction of red triangles. Now fraction will be total number of red triangles upon total number of shapes. So do this, you will get the answer. If one fully shaded parallelogram equals to one whole, then four partially shaded parallelogram equals to what? Now fully shaded is one whole. Now you have to calculate the partially shaded. So see the figure below. The first two parallelogram, if you combine them, then they make one whole. First two parallelogram make one whole, and last two parallelogram, if we combine them, they make half of whole. Now you choose what will be the answer of this question. If Ansh ate 1.5 pizza in a day, then how many pizzas would he eat in 4 days? Now pizza ate by Ansh in one day is 1.5, that is 1 is to 1 by 2. When we solve this mixed fraction, we get 3 by 2. Now pizza ate by Ansh in 4 days is 3 by 2 into 4, which is equals to 12 by 2, and we solve this fraction, we get 6. Adil, Janak and Rohit gained 59 points in a game. Adil gained 2 points more than Janak. Rohit gained 9/5 of the points gained by Janak. How many points did Adil gain? Now total points gained by the three is 59. And Adil gained 2 points more than Janak, and Rohit gained 9/5 of the points gained by Janak. So if we will find how many points Janak gained, then we can calculate Adil and Rohit's points. Now let the points gained by Janak be x. Then points gained by Adil will be x plus 2. Now points gained by Rohit is equals to 9/5 of x. Total points gained by Adil, Janak and Rohit is equals to x plus 2 plus 9 by 5x. X are the point gained by Janak, x plus 2 Adil, and 9 by 5th x is Rohit, and the total points equals to 59. Now we'll solve this equation. So keep the variables one side and constant one side. So we will get 2x plus 9 by 5x equals to 57. So we subtract 59 minus 2. So separated constant and variables here. Now 19 by 5x is 57, and x equals to 57 into 5 by 19, which is 15. Now this is points gained by Janak. Now Adil will be 15 plus 2, so 17. So answer will be 17. If the value of x is divided by 11, then the result would be. Now you have to find the value of x. Now see the first right side of the question. See in the image below, x1 multiplies by 4 gives 4 at the unit digit. Now see from option ABCD, the numerator are 3, 4, 5, 6. So x can either be 3, 4, 5, 6. Now which of these numerator when multiplied by 4 gives unit digit 4? So that will be the x. So divide by 11 means upon 11. So denominator will be 11. Now choose your correct answer. The given figure, not drawn to scale, is made up of two rectangles. What is the value of x and y respectively? Now in this type of question you have to keep in mind that rectangles have opposite sides equal. So now what will be the x? Now see the opposite side. So what is the length of the opposite side? That will be x. Similarly for y, see the opposite side. So what will be the length of the opposite side? That will be y. Now you can see below I have calculated x and y. So x will be 12 centimeter plus 13 centimeter plus 13 centimeter is equals to 38 centimeter, and y will be 22 minus 11. So you can see the figure carefully, you will get the answer. If the smallest 4-digit number is multiplied by 3 and 500 is subtracted from the product, then the resulting number is. Now smallest 4-digit number is 1000. 1000 when multiplied by 3 is 1000 into 3, 3000. Now 500 is subtracted from the product. So 500 is subtracted from the product means 3000 minus 500, which is 2500 is our answer. A bucket can hold 5 liter 590 milliliter more water than a jug. So bucket can hold 5 liter 590 milliliter more water than a jug. Find the capacity of bucket if the jug can hold 2 liter 500 milliliter of water. Now capacity of jug is 2 liter 500 milliliter of water. So imagine it is shown by blue rectangle jug and bucket is shown by yellow rectangle. So bucket is holding 5 liter 590 milliliter more water than jug. Now you can easily calculate the answer. There are 50 tricycles and 34 bicycles in a park. How many more wheels of tricycles are there than that of bicycles? So first calculate the wheels of tricycles, 50 tricycles, and then calculate the wheels of 34 bicycles, and then find how many more wheels of tricycles are there than that of bicycles. So for tricycles we know that there are 3 wheels in one tricycle. So how many wheels for 50 tricycles? Similarly for one bicycle 2 wheels. So how many wheels for 34 bicycles? Calculate that and then find how many more wheels of tricycles than bicycles. Rihan's cat weighs 20 kg. Rohan's cat is half as heavy as Rihan's cat. What is the weight of Rohan's cat and Rihan's cat together? Now Rihan's cat is 20 kg and Rohan's cat is half as heavy as Rihan's cat. So suppose Rohan's cat is shown by the blue rectangle which is 20 kg and Rihan's cat is shown by the red rectangle which is half of 20 kg. Now what will be the total weight, that is Rohan's cat plus Rihan's cat together? A saleswoman sells 44 eggs every day. How many eggs does she sell in the month of October? Now first calculate how many days are there in October. Now for one day she sells 44 eggs. Now what are the number of days in October? Then how many eggs for those number of days? Find the value of blue candy if cupcake plus cupcake is 14, cone plus cupcake is 17, cone minus chocolate is 8. So these are three questions. Then for this, cupcake into chocolate plus ice cream equals to blue candy. Now you have to find the value of blue candy. So in this type of question, we see where we can found similar items. So here similar items are cupcake plus cupcake equals to 14. So from here you find the value of cupcake and then substitute the value of cupcake in the next equation. You will find the value of cone. Then substitute the value of cone in next equation. You will find the value of chocolate. Now substitute these values in equation 4. You will find the value of blue candy. Thanks for watching. If the video is useful, like, share and subscribe.